Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks jumped Thursday as traders cheered another report pointing to cooling US inflation. The March Producer Price Index, a measure of prices paid by companies and often a leading indicator of consumer inflation, declined by 0.5% month over month versus economists' expectations for prices to be flat. The PPI data confirmed the easing inflation trend from Wednesday's March's Consumer Price Index report, which advanced just 0.1% month over month. Consumer prices grew 5% on an annual basis, the smallest increase in nearly 2 years. However, minutes from the March Federal Open Market Committee meeting showed that the Fed now expects the recent banking crisis to cause a mild recession later this year. Overnight, the S&P 500 climbed 1.3% for its highest close since February. The Nasdaq Composite advanced just shy of 2%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 1.1%. With a recession looking likely, corporate profits are in focus this earnings season. Analysts expect that profits last quarter fell nearly 7% on an annualized basis, according to FactSet, the biggest decline since the early days of the pandemic. Some 78 firms in the S&P 500 have also warned investors to vastly lower their earnings expectations, the worst reading since the third quarter of 2019, when the US manufacturing sector was in a recession. Ultimately, the coming earnings results could clarify the market's muddled view on the economy. The bond market has been trading as if a larger recession is imminent, while stocks remain in positive territory for the year. All eyes will be on the bank results out tomorrow. America's largest banks are seen as a bellwether for health of the economy. Analysts will likely grill them about their balance sheets and deposit flows in the wake of the turmoil that has gripped the sector after the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank last month. Across the sectors, tech stocks rallied as communication services, consumer discretionary and information technology were among the notable gainers in the S&P 500. Mega cap tech stocks advanced, with shares of Amazon up 4.7%, shares of Google parent Alphabet and Meta were up 2.7% and 3% respectively. Tesla shares also rose nearly 3%. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.2% gain. Thank you for listening.